Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox assets not loading properly or if your mouse is invisible. I will tell you two solutions to fix this. Your problem will be fixed after applying the first solution, but in case if your problem still persists, then you can apply the second solution. So let's get started. First of all, uninstall Roblox, then when reinstalling, run Roblox Player Installer as an administrator by right-clicking on it and selecting Run as Administrator. This will fix the problem, allowing assets to load properly, as this is a recent issue in Roblox and this solution will fix this. However, if the problem still persists, you can apply the second solution. In this, you have to check from where you have downloaded Roblox. If you downloaded it from the Roblox website on Google, uninstall it and reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. And if you previously downloaded it from the Microsoft Store, then uninstall it and reinstall from the official Roblox website on Google, as both Roblox are same, and this will completely solve your problem and now your Roblox assets will load. So this is how you can fix Roblox assets not loading properly.